Merry Christmas Eve, because apparently this is a thing now. So, who likes my sexy new voice? Not me. Yeah, I'm definitely ill for Christmas, but never mind, I'll just have to power through. So today is travelling day. I'm going back to Cambridgeshire. I'm staying at Jack's family's for Christmas, which will be nice. And yeah, so I've got to pack and then meet him to get the train back. But yeah, packing's not really going very well. I've got to pack clothes and all of the presents for my family and Jack's family and Jack. And then also think about, because it's my birthday on Boxing Day, I've got to think about how I'm going to get those presents back. Well, if I get anything back. So yeah, this might be interesting. But yeah, I'm just feeling a bit sorry for myself. So it's getting to that point now where we haven't really bought anything and all I've got is an onion, some pasta, some out-of-date lettuce, a cucumber and some pesto and lots of beers. It's my turn on top of the tree! Yay! So the girls have all left, but they've left my birthday presents. It's my birthday on Boxing Day, and I can't decide whether to open them now or open them when I get back, because I'm not sure if I can take them all with me to Jack's house. What do you think?
Signs and landmarks.